What's going on, everybody? I hope you're doing well. So let me show y'all real quick before they fly away. Look at these Japanese beetles having sex. Look at this. That's what they doing. Now, I know this is a family channel, but y'all, this is where little babies come from. They are doing their business right on my daggone cucumber plants. Now, what? Look at it. Look at it. Hunty. No, they not. So listen. Once I get done filming, if some of them are still here, I'm gonna catch them, and they got to go, okay? Because they just gonna eat up. They're gonna eat up all my leaves around here. I ain't got time for that, okay? So, but by the way, this cucumber plant is looking all that. This is a Natasha cucumber, and I got a lot of fruits on this. I'm excited. I have 2 plants going here, and you can see the little fruits. See them? Oh my gosh! I hope y'all can see them because it's really hard for me to see the camera. But anyway, it's all good. It's all good. Look at that one. Great. But yeah, I got to take care of them. Got to take care of them because they doing their business. We ain't got time for that. I got a huge announcement for you all that I'm gonna make live one day, so just stay tuned. But yes, these are Japanese beetles, or June bugs, because they come in June, and they will decimate your plants. They will eat the crap out of the leaves, okay? And then of course make more babies that are going to eat the crap out of your leaves. So some soapy water, whatever you got to do to relocate these is a good idea, okay? Because they're just going to tear up everything, your beans, your fruit trees, your you know, everything, cucumbers apparently. Yeah, it's on and popping. So please, please, if you see these are not beneficial insects. They are pests in your garden, and they need to be dealt with. What is this little guy? Is that gosh, I really can't see on camera. I think that was a ladybug of some sort. So hopefully she's eating the aphids for us. But yeah, I hope everybody is doing well. I know this video is short. I just wanted to kind of show y'all what's going on in the garden. The beetles are doing their thing, okay? I mean, clearly, no shame in their game, okay? But we can't deal with this very much longer. All right, so love y'all, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.